Good afternoon, it's Vandalyn Smith, and I'm speaking to you live from Birmingham, Alabama, and I want to talk in this video a little bit about the cash flow quadrant. The cash flow quadrant. Now, I don't know if you have heard of the book, The Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, but if not, I recommend reading that book, especially if you want to start generating more income passively. If you want to start generating income passively, I recommend the Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. And I'm actually going to leave a link to the book below this video so that you can go on and grab a copy of it and you can start reading it. But I want to talk a little bit about what the Cash Flow Quadrant is. And I have a picture of it here in front of you. And I'm just going to go through the quadrants very briefly and give my concept or my talk about it. And so we're going to start with the E. You see the E here on the left, and that's the employee. And the majority of people have, or the majority of the people living today are in this quadrant, the E. The E is the employee. You have a job. You have active income. You're basically trading your time for money. So if you do not go to work, you don't get paid. And if you don't go to work and you still get paid, that means that you have to put in some type of vacation. You're taking some type of PTO, sick time, and that's how you're getting paid. So basically, you're still trading your time for money. You do not have any leverage. So all of the income that you are earning is off of your own accord. So basically, you have no freedom. And I'm actually, at the time of this recording, at the time of me recording this video, which is March 14th, 2018, at the time that I record this video, I am actually in this quadrant. So there we go. Not a whole lot of freedom there. Okay, so then you move down to the bottom. We're going to go from top to bottom because we're on the left side of the quadrant. You're down here in the bottom square, and you are self-employed. So basically, you own a job. Now, your time might equal a little more money, but you still have no leverage. And I know a lot of people that are self-employed. My husband, he's self-employed. And he actually enjoys what he does. Now, a lot of people, become self-employed for reasons of they don't want to be told how to do their work. They don't want to be told what to do. They want to be their own boss. And that's practically fine, and that works, if you have something that you're very passionate about and you want to open up a business, you want to open up your boutique or something that, that is going to serve the community. You're self-employed. Now, this is not to get mixed up with being a business owner, because there is a difference between being a self-employed person and being a business owner. Because being self-employed, you still own a job. But the thing is that if you take off, your operation does not run without you. Your job or your business does not run without you. So you're your own boss, but you do not have a team. You do not have anybody else working for you. It's just you. So if you decide to take off, or if you go on vacation, or even if you get sick, your income will stop. You will not receive income from this business. So it's just like owning a job. So I'm going to go up here to the top right here. We're over here on the right side of the quadrant. And we're at the top right in the top square. We're going to passive income. Now, this is a business owner. This is the B, the business owner. The business owner actually owns a system. And that means that they have people and systems working for them. Now, I like this. I love this model. And that's something that That is something that I'm actually working towards. I'm actually in the E quadrant, and I'm a little bit in the B quadrant. I'm working on setting the B quadrant all the way up so that I will have a system completely in place that is working for me. And your system can be either automated machine systems or people, or both. Because you can have an online business that you have set up correctly that'll help you generate income passively. And just like you say, passive income is not dependent on your presence. So if you have systems in place that help you generate income in your absence, you are a business owner. You are leveraging systems to help make you money. So that means that you can take vacations, you can even get sick, and you're still able to generate income because the systems do not allow or do not require for you to be present to make money. And this is the ultimate thing. That's my goal. Because my goal is to be able to, whenever I get ready, if I want to jump in my car and travel to another city, to travel, because, of course, now I'm talking about me. I have young kids, so yeah, they're in school. So I'm not able to just take off to another state, in the middle of the day. So I'm not talking about that right now. But I am talking about now if I want to just jump in my car and I might want to go over to the next city, or I want to do whatever within the time frame before it's time for me to go get the children. But I'm not worried about sitting in front of the computer. I'm not worried about being in a place in order to make money. I'm making money while I'm traveling in my car or wherever I'm at. I'm making money. And that's my ultimate goal, is to be in this B quadrant. And now we're going to move down to the I quadrant, the investor. And this is where money works for you. Money works for money, and it's another form of passive income. So that's your investments. You start investing your money in different places, in your commodities and stocks, and in different places. Now we have what is it? The Bitcoin. What is it called? Cryptocurrency. So you can start investing in that and just have your investments set up in different places, and that's leverage. You have money making money for you. Do you have to be present for the money to make money? No. And the great thing about money, money doesn't get sick. Money don't call in sick. Money don't get tired. Money just keeps on working, even when you ain't working. So being on the right side of this cash flow quadrant is something that I'm deeply my goal, that is my goal, to be in the B and the I quadrants of this cash flow quadrant. But right now I am focused on building in the B quadrant, and I help people set up their business so that they can be in the B quadrant, so they can be in the B quadrant. So if that is something that you desire, you want to start leveraging systems, because these are the systems, some of the systems that I'm working with, because I have the systems in place. I have an autoresponder in place. I have my marketing funnel in place. I have online advertising space. I have things set up to where I'm marketing online and I'm able to send someone to a system, and they're generating through that system, and it's showing them different opportunities where they can, become a program, become part of programs, and then I can get paid. So if that's something that you desire, you want to set your business up so that it can start generating you income on a passive basis using systems, you leave me a comment below this video, or you can check out the link below this video. I'm going to leave my keys to building a business online. I'm going to leave that there. It's a free online, it's a free course that you can look at. It's a free PDF, actually, that's going to teach you the foundation that you need in order to have a profitable online business. So I'm going to send that out to you. Just click the link wherever you're watching this video, put in your information, and I'll send it to you through an email. And you can go through that and see what are the things that you need to have in place. And I'll actually help you if you want help getting it set up and you want to know how you can leverage a system and get your business set up so that you can start earning passive income online. I'll be there to help you out with that as well. So the first step is clicking the link below this video, put in your information, and I'll send you out that report. You go through the report and then you reach out to me and let me know if you would like additional help, and I'm here for it. So if that's something that you desire to do, make sure that you check out that the keys to building an online business. Now, I hope that this video has got you to thinking about the cash flow quadrant. And I hope that you also will read the book so that you can learn even more details about the cash flow quadrant. Because Robert Kiyosaki, he is, he also authored Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I also had that book and learned learned some insight from him in that book. That was a great book as well. But like I said, I'm going to leave a link for you to grab the book. Grab the book, The Cash Flow Quadrant, and also the link to grab the free keys to building an online business. So grab that stuff, get started, start building your income passively, and don't hesitate to reach out to me for help. Vandalyn Smith, I hope this has helped you in some type of way. Leave me a comment and let me know. If you feel someone else will get value from it, share it out. And if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can continue to receive updates as I share tips as it relates to online business building as well as mindset tips. And if you're watching this on my page, make sure you click the like button for the same reason. Online business building tips as well as mindset tips. This is Vandalyn Smith, and I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.